Today we're going to be doing a teardown on the HyperX Cloud III Wireless headset. So the first thing we need to do is remove these ear cup cushions. And the way you do that is you simply pull on them from the inside until the sleeve starts coming out. And just like that, one of the ear cushions are out, and you can see what's exposed under the cushion. And we'll go ahead and remove the second ear cushion as well. Once both ear cushions are removed, you can see the actual ear cup guts, and then we can begin to go further. Now the next step is going to be to remove these bolts from the ear cup. So that's going to be in here. There's going to be some small Phillips head screws that you need to unscrew. And then once you unscrew all of the bolts, now this thing should be able to come right off, but be careful because there is going to be a cable attached to the cup. This part right here that I'm shaking is going to be soldered on here with a cable, so be very careful not to pull it too tight. Just gently lay it down and then you can kind of see what's inside of here. And here's a close-up on what's inside this ear cup. This is the part that's soldered on here, and then this is the part that's inside. Now you can remove all of these simply by unscrewing these Phillips head screws. There's quite a few of them, but once you go under there, there's really going to be not much there. If you want to mess with the speaker itself, that's going to be over here, and you would have to unscrew these bolts on the outside here. So now let's go ahead and remove the outer case of where the speaker lies so y'all can see a close-up on that. So this has been a teardown of the HyperX Cloud III Wireless headset. It's pretty simple to get to all of these parts over here if you need to swap something or check something out. And if you want to see the tools we're using, be sure to check out the links down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.